Hari Om. Welcome to the Tattva Yoga. Today is a day 9 which is dedicated to Ma Siddhidatri. She is fulfillment and supernatural powers. Goddess Siddhidatri, the final form of Durga who grants all form of supernatural powers, siddhis and fulfillment. Today's Sankalpa is all about integration, completion and the realization of one full potential. Today we will focus on the meditation. Today we are not doing any asanas, any warm up. So just seated in any cross-legged position, and we will doing and chanting 11 times Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. So today just sit in any cross-legged position, or you can sit in any sitting posture like a Siddhasana or Padmasana also. But we are like beginners, so we are doing simple sitting in any cross-legged position. Hand should be on a Gyan Mudra and eyes should be closed. Back should be straight, neck erected, and take a few 2 to 3 deep breath. Inhale, exhale. And when you are ready, so start the chanting 11 times. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Ma Siddhidatraya Namaha. Om Devi Siddhidatraya Namaha. Just feel the sensation, the vibration of the mantra. If you want, so you can extend the chanting to 108 times. So slowly bringing the palms together, rubbing the palms and aid the palms on the heel. Slowly touching to your eyes, your face and your whole body. Gently open your eyes. So this is the ending of this workshop, day 9. I hope you like the series of day 1 to day 9. So this workshop is basically based on the Navratri festival, which is end of today. I hope you like it, and we will posting now the mantra chanting videos every day, one mantra each day. So Hari Om Tat Sat.